guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's a welcome to my new fridge.
What?
The kitchen may not be finished, but this fridge is everything. Alright, so little backstory. We got a smaller fridge. I know, Homer. He's upset about that. He said it holds less cat food.
Alright, baby.
But we don't have any cat food in the refrigerator except for Gigi's medicine. So it's smaller, a lot smaller. It's 6 cubic feet smaller, but you know what? It's better because now I'm on top of all of the food. The food is fresher because I have to go out to the store a little bit more often. Not so much of a problem because the store is relatively close. So let's get started. I know. It's a French door refrigerator, which means the top is the refrigerator part and the bottom is a drawer. And that is the freezer part. So let's start with the refrigerator part.
Whoa!
I know, right? So it's got 6 bins, 3 on each door. On this side, of course, is Gaston's medicine, which is compounded. It has to stay in the refrigerator. We've got our hot sauces over here. I've got my kimchi. We've got some Vega energy protein shakes. Some already cut up garlic because I'm lazy. My coffee creamer, some flavoring for our seltzer water. Next row down here, we've got our sucker punch pickles, which are amazing.
These are the absolute best. They are a little pricey, but it is nice for a treat. Holy crap.
Right? We've got some salad dressing, some gyoza dipping sauce, some barbecue sauce, another rando salad dressing, some, what is this? Oh, some yogurt culture. There's a barbecue
hidden away
sauce,
in the back.
Right? Then down here on the last level on this side, we've got some flax milk, some almond milk. I think behind here is some organic lemon juice from Italy, some olive tamponade. And then on the other side, we've got kombucha. We've got some Gatorade. We've also got rando pasta sauce that was only half done. 2 different types of mayo because Mark is not vegan and he really likes his regular mayo, so we let him have it. We've got our Just Mayo, another salad dressing that's not vegan. Maddie's new favorite salad dressing by Bolthouse Farms, the organic lemon basil, some Just salad dressings, some pickle slices, and that's it for the doors. So now I'm going to try and do this and let you guys get the best view. The top part is small containers, so like we've got some olives over here, olive salad. We've got our butter. We've got some vegan cream cheese. In the back there you can see we've got a hummus, and on top of it a salsa, a black bean and corn, which is really good. Some leftovers there. We've got a half an onion. We've got some leftover samosa filling. We like to keep our bread in the fridge because we don't like it to get moldy, so we've got a loaf of sourdough here. I also like to keep my dates in the refrigerator in a glass jar. I find they keep better like that. In this white container over here is an apple pie from McDonald's that my mom sent over, and some guacamole packets, my miso, my bouillon, which of course is vegan. Behind that is my yeast that I use for baking bread. I like to keep that in the fridge as well. A blueberry, a wild blueberry jam or preserves. Again, the bread stays in the fridge, so we've got some bagels from the bagel store in here.
These bagels are beautiful.
Aren't they? They're real New York bagels.
From the bakery.
Back behind that is a couple of different types of tofu, some freaking super ass firm that is like a brick, and some extra firm. And then in this bowl over here we had some leftover cheesecake from the party that we went to. We brought some vegan cheesecake, so that has a little,
what's left of it.
Yeah, it's got a little suction cover on it, which is really nice because less plastic in the garbage with the saran wrap. Some of Maddie's empanadas left over. A somewhat senior cauliflower that we're having tonight. I'm gonna have to scrape off some of the brown spots and salvage it. Some sausage bread from the party, also vegan. Behind that is the dog section. We've got our dog treats in there, and Flash's little roll of fresh dog food that he likes occasionally. Then the final shelf over here, we've got some Dave's Killer Bread. Behind that is another loaf of bread in that Rubbermaid.
We really like bread.
We really like bread. We're not low carb by any means. We've got some cashew sauce in here that I have left over from the shawarmas the other night.
I'm almost
You
done
couldn't
with
have
that.
finished that?
It didn't fit in my cup.
Okay, so we like to keep a rando bottle of seltzer in there every once in a while. We've got our fake meats, and I'm sorry.
What the heck?
It says your door is open.
Oh. Well, let's close it and reopen it.
All right. Oh, it stopped.
Just do it.
Okay, reset. So then we've got some vegan cold cuts here that Mark likes to take, some bacon, some field roast sausages.
Ooh, look at all those babies.
Right? A little bit of tofutti cheese. Get back in there. I like these extra little containers because they make it easy to just pull the whole thing out. You don't have to go digging.
Keeps it organized.
Right? Some of the sauce left over from the moussaka. Some fresh carrots. That's it for that. In the crispers here, we have some more bagels.
Woo!
We've also got some more medjool dates. We've got some pumpkin spice medjool dates. Our apples that we have from apple picking. And on this side, some peppers, multicolor. Some mushrooms that I just got at the store the other day. When we get the salad today, when we go food shopping, oh, there's 2 carrots in there. When we go, the salad will go in there. And then the final drawer over here is basically everything else. So some other cheeses, some Daya here. Mark's cheese for his pizza, that's his guilty pleasure. Once a week he has regular pizza. And occasionally, this was like once a month, he gets cream cheese. So we keep that over there and try not to look at it. Some smoked Gouda, vegan of course. Another yeast, unopened.
Ooh, baby, I'm calling this for later.
Yeah,
Spring roll.
Spring roll. Some Earth Balance, some I Can't Believe It's Not Vegan sticks, which are really nice for baking. Some wraps, another rando piece of vegan pizza. Some spring roll wrappers for the next go round. This is a Tempe starter that I haven't used yet, which I'm hoping to have as an upcoming recipe. That's a tiny brie that belongs to Mark. We'll hide it in there. And that is the fridge.
No. Okay.
Alright, the freezer is on the bottom. I really love this type of freezer because it's so simple to see everything at a glance. So finally we got our working ice maker.
It's clean!
Which is everything because we didn't have an ice maker for the longest time and I felt like Tom Hanks in Castaway.
Oh, come on.
I just want some ice.
Hi.
Alright, so on the top level here, Mark likes his salmon once a week, so we have some salmon pieces for him. We've got our boxed burgers, all vegan of course, from Aldi, from Dr. Prager's. We've got some of the breakfast wraps, basically just junk food, vegan junk food. We've got an Ezekiel bread there that I like to keep in the freezer because I like to pull out a slice every now and again. Some empanosa wrappers that we had left over. Tons and tons of Gardein and Beyond Meat. That would be mostly on this side. And we've got some eggplant here, vegan. This is all basically vegan meats on this side in the bags. And some overflow of the veggies.
Ooh.
Right?
Veggie pulled pork.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to try that soon.
Yep. So, This side, basically the same thing, except we got more veggies on this side. We got some vegan Hagen over here. We've got lots of bananas for an ice cream just waiting to happen. And basically, whoops, get back in there. That one's only half done. But that's pretty much all we have.
Looks good.
We have another freezer down in the basement, which catches the overflow from this one, and also has some of the fruits from our fruit trees outside. We get a big rush of peaches, and our apples didn't do so good this year. None of the trees did well this year, which is fine because we still had fruit from last year. So I like to pull out a bag of peaches that have already been peeled and pitted and make a nice peach pie like in February. Everybody likes the taste of summer in the middle of winter, so it's nice to have those in the freezer downstairs. But that is our refrigerator, our brand new refrigerator that we love.
Ooh. What are we eating?
There we go. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more if you want to see more videos like this or more recipes. And until next time, much love.